Knowledge entrepreneurs around the world are facing challenges with managing online courses. Especially when you have to use multiple tools, it becomes more time consuming. And when we look at scaling up, the challenge becomes bigger. The struggle to manage everything seems endless because there is too many software and unfortunately, none of them interact with each other. What if you can manage all of your tasks in one place and use your time to focus on growing your business? Welcome to Miho, your one-stop solution for creating, selling and delivering quality online courses. You can begin by making an attractive profile on Miho and get a beautiful landing page. Creating a course on Miho is simple, easy and smooth and takes just 10 minutes. Simply make your account, create a course, add sections and go live. You can schedule live interactive sessions, get a white label platform and get your own custom branding. Miho simplifies online course management and real-time payments through its integrations with various apps. Sell the course and interact with your audience as a community or on a personal chat. Oh, and we don't charge any commission on the sales you make. As a result, your productivity will skyrocket and you can fully focus on growing and expanding your business. Begin today, create courses online and start making money. What are you waiting for? Create your first course with Miho. Miho, helping knowledge entrepreneurs win.
If you have a company that offers online training, you have probably come across a lot of different learning management systems. But if you are someone who wants to start an online course, this can be overwhelming. One option that you can look at is Miho. In this video, I will provide an overview of this system and how it can help you build a stellar online training platform. Teach the way you want to learn, create, sell and deliver online courses all in one place without compromising on the quality or scale of your business. Your knowledge is worth more with online courses. Easily package and present your expertise to share with customers on their schedule and off yours. At Miho, you can create courses that can have live lessons, pre-recorded videos, text lessons, and files. You could have a beautiful, free website in the next 10 minutes. Your website is free, easy, and beautiful. Miho handles the tech out of the box so you can set up your site and get back to work. The community you want, without worrying about integrations or the algorithm. Where can you have the best conversations on the internet? And your community. Miho gives you the flexibility to make paid communities and free communities on a platform you own. Wondering if Miho will integrate with your favorite apps? The answer is probably yes. Miho connects with hundreds of different tools so that you don't have to give up tools you love using and can still keep everything you need in one platform. What is Miho? Miho is a learning management platform that lets you create online courses, monetize your content, and build an engaged student community. Thanks to Miho's intuitive course builder, you'll be able to create a dynamic course in minutes. You can upload different file types, like videos or text, and even add assignments or quizzes to help your students learn. Check the engagement statistics on each lesson to find out where students are dropping off and to refine your course. Want to teach live? You can schedule and host live lessons on Zoom right from the course builder. Miho makes it easy to build a functional landing page to sell your course, no coding required. Simply choose your theme, customize the colors, and add your logo to create a page that matches your branding. You'll also be able to add dynamic features like FAQs, testimonials, social links, and terms and conditions. Best of all, you can integrate your checkout page with PayPal, Stripe, and Razorpay for a seamless shopping experience. With Miho, you can answer questions and keep up with students via direct messaging right from the platform. Store all your student conversations in a single window, or categorize message threads by different courses. And you can add different team members to your account, so you don't have to respond to messages on your own. Thanks to the workspace feature, you'll be able to manage multiple academies from one single Miho login. Miho lets you create your own digital community with complete control so you aren't competing with random algorithms. Students can like, comment, and save community posts, driving the class discussion for more collaborative learning. They'll also be able to express themselves with rich formatting, media uploads, and emojis to boost engagement. The hardest part about teaching an online course shouldn't be throwing together your website. Miho gives you everything you need to create online courses, launch a functional landing page, and build your own student community without any coding. Get lifetime access to Miho today. One-time purchase of $49 only.